In this video, I'll guide you through how to keep paragraphs together in Word, ensuring your document looks clean and organized. Whether you're preparing a report, a thesis, or just a simple letter, maintaining the integrity of your paragraphs is crucial for readability and professionalism. So, let's dive into the steps and make sure those paragraphs stick together just the way you want. First, you need to open your Word document where you wish to keep certain paragraphs together. Once you have your document open, the first thing you'll want to do is select the paragraphs you're focusing on. You can do this by clicking at the beginning of the text you want to select, holding down the Shift key, and then clicking at the end of the desired selection. This highlights the entire section you aim to work on, making sure that any formatting changes you apply will affect these paragraphs. With your paragraph selected, the next step is to right-click on the highlighted area. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. You're going to want to look for the option labeled Paragraph and click on it. Selecting this option will open the Paragraph dialog box, which contains various settings you can tweak to control the appearance and behavior of your text. Inside this Paragraph dialog box, you'll notice several tabs. The one we are interested in for this task is the Line and Page Breaks tab. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the options related to how your text interacts with page boundaries. Now, within the Line and Page Breaks tab, you'll see several checkboxes under the pagination section. Here, you have two main options to consider for keeping your paragraphs together: Keep Lines Together and Keep with Next. Let's start with the Keep Lines Together option. By checking this box, you ensure that all the lines within a single paragraph stay on the same page. This is particularly useful when you have a paragraph that you don't want split across two pages, maintaining its visual and contextual continuity. Next is the Keep with Next option. Checking this box will link the selected paragraph with the one immediately following it. This is handy when you have headings or lead-in sentences that should always stay with the subsequent paragraph, ensuring they don't get separated over a page break. Once you've selected the appropriate options that best fit your needs, simply click OK. This will apply the settings to your selected paragraphs, and you should instantly see the effect it has on your document's layout. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully managed to keep your paragraphs together in Word. This ensures that your document not only looks neat and professional, but also reads smoothly, without any awkward page breaks. Remember, these small adjustments can make a significant difference in how your document is perceived by your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of Microsoft Word and other productivity tools. Happy writing!